Welcome, swing traders. In today's video, we'll talk about Plug stock. Based on the daily and weekly TPO analysis, I will show you important levels that are in play, and of course, based on the technical analysis. So, what shall we expect for the price? Are we coming back to $2.15 and lower, or shall we expect that we finally break $2.44.47 level and go higher? So, please subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think, and let's begin. Let's start with the daily TPO chart. TPO is time price opportunity. This is a market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time. How much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. For example, for yesterday, our point of control was $2.34.33. This is the area where most of the trades were done during yesterday. So it's important for us to hold this value area between $2.36 and $2.30. Once we hold this area, then we go higher. We have the tested area that's important for us to cross is $2.43. Once we do it, then our target would be $2.53 based on the daily TPO analysis. But once we lose $2.30, then our naked PFC, which is untested, is $2.18. So this will be the main area to go, so almost 5%, more than 5% from the current price level. So please monitor those levels carefully because they will show the reaction. So be aware of that. Also, we have more downside targets, $1.92 and $1.80. So once we lose this area that I mentioned you, $2.18, based on the TPO analysis, no more areas that actually can hold us. So we will, in some time, definitely test those levels. So just be aware of that. For the upside targets, it's important for us to go and visit this naked PVC left for us here in end of January, because once we actually go there and cross it and hold this value area, then we will go way higher, and based on my analysis we actually go to $3.90 because this is a big weekly level left for us in October of last year. So be aware of that. And of course, as I told you on the daily TPO chart, here's the weekly TPO analysis. You can see that in most cases, our value area was slowly accepting and climbing up from week to week. So that's why we do not have a lot of targets right now. And based on the weekly analysis, our naked PFC is located here in October of last year, as I mentioned you, and the other one was left in June here. So like not a lot of targets, to be honest with you, and the range is actually huge from the current price level. So those trades would be definitely more than just swing trade, and most probably will last like months. So be aware of that. And here is the technical analysis for this stock. I'd love to see what's actually going on the weekly time frame. So we actually in between two big weekly levels, as you clearly can see. Currently, we have the leg up that we managed to make at the beginning of March. On the 4 hours chart would be way easier for you to see. Sorry. Here, our leg up starts, and we actually go it. Never came to this level before, but we have some significant levels that played several times. For example, here, and actually was tested like last Friday. So we are trying to go higher based on the technical analysis. So be aware of that. Those are the triggers that should also play.